Hey there, LightBurn friends. I wanted to share with you a couple kind of hidden features, or just not very well documented features in LightBurn that probably will make your life a lot simpler. The first is related to an alignment feature. Uh, let's say, so I have these two rectangles. I want to attach the top of or the bottom of one rectangle to the top of the other. So I don't want to align these two things to the top. I want to align the bottom to the top or remove the space between them. So what I can do is I can select both of these shapes. And this button, there's no button for this. You have to use the menu to do it. It's in the Arrange menu. Go to Arrange, go to Distribute, and say Move. So if you're moving horizontally, you want to move the objects together, or if you want to move vertically, you want to move the objects together. You use that option, or you can use the keyboard shortcut like Alt-Shift-V. So move vertical together. It's going to remove the white space for the second object. Sorry, for the first object. So it's going to move the first object selected to the second object. So that's that feature. The next one that I want to show you is the 2-point move. This is really amazing. Like if you want to align two diagonal objects to each other, or if you want to correct the alignment of, let's say I've moved this rectangle diagonally, and then later I decide I want to move it vertical again. It's pretty difficult, to use the rotation and try to get it just right. You can spend a lot of time sitting here trying to get it to align properly. So this will help you a lot. So select your object and push Control 2 on the keyboard. This starts 2-point alignment mode, and down at the bottom in the toolbar it will give you some hints on what to do first, but you select the point that is the center of rotation. It's going to put a little red circle around it, and you're going to go somewhere else on your object, and you're going to click and drag your second point. This is your drag handle, so it's just like grabbing the rotation handle. So don't click it, otherwise it'll just close the tool. So you got to click and drag. It's going to create a line between them. Now you can rotate based on that 2-point rotation. If you use the shift modifier, you can also scale it while you're doing this, so you can rotate and scale. But again, this is very, very nice if you're trying to rotate something based on a corner. And for example, like if I wanted to align this diagonal rectangle to the vertical here, what I could do is first select these and use the tool I showed you earlier. Distribute, we're going to move H together, so that'll remove the space here. We're going to select this diagonal thing. We're going to hit Control 2, use the corner as our first point of rotation. We grab a second spot up here, and it'll naturally snap to the edge of this box. So we can snap it here, and then if we wanted to move it back apart, we can just move the object. But now it's perfectly vertical as aligned to the other object. Hope that little tutorial helps you learn some cool new features for LightBurn and save you a ton of time.